Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable the yellow banner on top of Oracle Fusion user. So I'm going to quickly show you how it looks like and then we'll go and try to disable it. Let's go into Fusion applications. So here I am into Fusion applications. Before I proceed ahead, I'm going to quickly show you the release and version we are on. So have a look at this about this application and here it shows 26.3, which I believe is the latest at the moment. I'm going to close this off and then as you could see on the top is this banner I was talking about, and it again and again appears. Sometimes it's annoying. Sometimes in a real environment, it is a message to convey some information. For example, if it's like a test environment, but just in case you want to remove it, you have to follow this procedure. So first you have to go to the administer profile options. So for that, you have got to change it to setup and maintenance. So go here, click on the right side, and go to setup and maintenance. And once that comes up, you look at the top, these three dots. Can you see that? You click on that one and you go to the last option, additional setup tasks. And from here, you'll see something like, let's try here. Here, search. I was talking about this search. And then you search with manage administrator profile option, values option, like this. And here you go. Click on this hyperlink. And then you go to profile display name and search by this banner keyword and hit the search button. So there will be one profile option by the name of or by the code FND banner message, and the profile name is banner message. And as you could see, it displays this MYSTEST, this profile value. So to remove it, simply empty this out or clear it out, and then you hit the save and close button. You hit the done button, and then all you have to do is, you can see that it's gone now. And all you have to do is to log out and re-log in to see the changes. So I've just logged on and re-logged in, and as you could see, this banner message has gone. Okay, so this is the process in which you remove the banner message from top of the page.